Okay, and this is the final installation of my battery. My battery stands high up high. You can see all the cells connected with the wires. And underneath I've mounted my BMS. Beneath that my active balancer. A few fuses. The power button. It is offline at this moment. As you can see, the battery is working fine together with this grow watt inverter. I also made a little display where I can monitor it. You can find all the details also on spytech.be. There you find the information of the battery and the cells. This is also connected to domotics, but that is for my domotica system, so I can monitor real time on PC what's happening with my battery. As you can see, it works very fine till now. It's a total capacity of 8.5 kilowatts. So I hope you like it. You can check out www.spytech.be. There you find all the details how I made this battery.